What's going on, guys? Instagram here, man, and today y'all are gonna be watching a different type of video, man. And now the lighting is low-key not that good, but you know, I got this hat on because my hair trash right now, but shoot, I gotta keep the hat on, yeah, today, man, I am gonna be doing a shoe unboxing, man. And now I'm kind of excited, and also my camera is about to die. I pray that this junk don't die before I finish. But yeah, man, today I got a shoe unboxing for y'all, man. I don't really do this, but if y'all didn't know, my very first video, like with the channel reboot that I had, because this was not a hair channel at first, it was a gaming channel. But y'all probably don't care. But anyways, my first video was actually a shoe unboxing. But anyways, man, today I am gonna be unboxing the YEEZY 700 Vanta, man. And now, listen, this is my first pair of Yeezys, bruh. And like, I low-key overpaid a good amount for these just because, man, I could have got them retail, but I don't know, I was tripping, man. I got them on the Go app. I overpaid for about $50 on this junk, but it's all good, man. It's all good. But this is not just any Vanta unboxing, you feel me? You know, I felt like the Vanta was missing a little something, you know, like it's straight. It got 3M material on it. I'ma just open the box for y'all, man. But y'all already done seen the reviews and junk probably, but I'ma show y'all, man. I'ma show y'all what I did. So here it is. Let me see if I can low-key get. Here it is, man. The YEEZY 300 Vantas, bruh. These junks are too clean. These is straight by itself. Now, if you haven't already noticed, what I did was I took the regular plain black laces out and I actually put some 3M laces on this junk. And bruh, this makes the shoe 100 times better, because I felt like this, you know, it's cool just the way it is, but it was missing a little something. And I think the laces it took it over the top, man, because as y'all already know, bruh, it has some nice way. Like, I've never had, like, I don't think I've ever held like an actual pair of Yeezy V2s in my hand before. Like, these is really low-key my first time holding some Yeezys. But yeah, so y'all already know, man, I'm not no shoe review person. I ain't no, you know, shoe guru or nothing like that. So I ain't gonna go over the materials and all that other good stuff. But you know, bruh, for my first pair of Yeezys, bruh, I think this was a good pickup just because I wanted an all black shoe. I was trying to get rid of my Jordans because I got rid of like my Fire Red 5s, Oreo 5s, and my Turo 4s. And I think that's it, and my Powder Blue 3s. But as of right now, like, if you were to see my shoe collection, all I have is like kind of neutral colors. Like, I got these black, all black. I got some all white Hirachis on right now. And then, you know, I actually put the 3M laces on these too, and bruh, they go crazy. But yeah, so I got a lot of like white, black. I got like gray Vans, stuff like that. I'm trying to get shoes that I can wear with anything, and it was really just because I wanted to get away from Jordans, kind of, to be honest. So now I'm rocking with this, man, and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna do some on foot stuff with these just so y'all can see like how it looks with the just the reflective material, because boy, I feel like a lot of people slept on these, man, and you know what I'm saying. I'm glad, because now when I come out with it, it's over with. But yeah, man, these are a size 9, just in case you did not know. Just if you was wondering, I do wear a size 9, man. And look, bro, I just think the laces, it just makes the shoe, I don't know, it's just something about it. It just makes the shoe look much better, you know what I'm saying? So actually, if I flash, I'm not sure like how this junk be working, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, it's kind of weird. Like, the 3M is weird. Like, I don't really know how 3M works, honestly. But but yeah, I'm gonna do it on my phone and just put like some B-roll junk in that junk. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I wanted to show y'all and talk about today, man. Let me know in the comment section, did y'all pick up the Vantas, or did you pick up the V2s? Because I know the V2s are always more hyped, especially since they cost less than the 700s, because these junks are like 300 retail, and the 350s are only like 220. So I know a lot of people cop the 350s over the 700s, but let me know, man, if y'all copped either one of these. And I think the all reflective V2s 350s are coming out. I don't know when they come out. I don't keep up with this junk, but I think they come out soon. So let me know if y'all plan on copping any of those. And also, I got the laces from Lace Lab. You know, it is not sponsored, but I know people gonna ask. I got it from Lace Lab in case y'all wanted to cop y'all a pair of that. But man, let's get right into the dang on foot, you know, because that's what people really want to see. I already know. So let's get it.
I'm a young baller. Every day we stay shining. Fully presidential, perfect timing. Every nigga that's around me really grinding. You know I ain't lying. That's why we shining. That's why we